Hello children, welcome to our maths class for class 2, lesson number 2, numbers till 999. Children, we have learned before in that the subtopic is comparing 3-digit number. Children, before we have learned the numbers till 99, expanded form of the numbers, standard form of the numbers, place value of the numbers. In this comparing numbers, 3-digit numbers, first of all we will see the learning objectives of the subtopic. In this session, the student will be able to learn the following. First, student will be able to compare numbers between 0 and 999 using greater than, smaller than and equal to. Second, student will able to know how to compare the numbers. Children, now let's see here in our Propel book comparing 3-digit numbers. First of all, see here one example. Look at the following picture. Here is the giant, here is the Swingy. The name of the monkey is Swingy. Okay. Here the giant is having the bananas and Swingy also having the bananas. The giant has 470 bananas and Swingy has 59 bananas. The two numbers have different number of digit here. You can see the 470 is the 3-digit number and 59 is the 2-digit number. Here we have to compare the numbers. Who has more bananas? We have to know who has the more bananas by comparing the numbers. Okay, here the table has arranged here by ones place, tens place and hundred place. Here 470. Okay, here 0 is on the ones place, 7 is on the tens place, 4 is on the hundred place. Now, here 59, 9 is on the ones place, 5 is on the tens place. Okay, the Swingy is having the 59 bananas and the giant having the 470 bananas. Okay, here very easy way they have given to compare the numbers without any calculation. That is, here the 2-digit number, 59 is the 2-digit number and 470 is the 3-digit number. Okay, then children, two numbers can be compared by observing the numbers of digit they have. For example, here see the example has given 59 having the 2-digit number and 470 is having the 3-digit number. See, the two numbers can be compared by observing the number of digit they have. Okay, the numbers that have more number of digit is always greater. Here 470 is having 3-digit number. 470 is a 3-digit number. Means number of digit is more in the 470. That's why it is greater number. And in 59 only 2-digit number. 2 digits are there. That's why it is the smaller number. It is a quick way to compare the numbers. Now you can easily give the answer who has the more bananas. The giant has the more bananas. Okay. Now here you have to write down who has more bananas. The giant has more bananas. Okay. Now see children, in the next example, giant has 563 bananas. Swingy has 701 bananas. Look at the 100 place. The number having greater digit at the 100 place is the greater number. Okay. Here children, giant having the Swingy is having the 701 bananas and the giant is having 563 bananas. Okay, these two numbers, this is also the 3-digit number and 563 is also the 3-digit number. Okay, when we are comparing between the 3-digit number, two 3-digit number, then you have to first see the digit on the 100 place. Okay, here in the 563, 5 is on the 100 place, and here in the 701, 7 is on the 100 place. Okay, now we have to compare here. 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. That's why 701 is greater than 563. Okay. Now children, use the appropriate sign. Here these are the signs of greater than and the smaller than. This is the sign of greater than and this is the sign of smaller than. Okay, we have to use this sign to compare the numbers. Here we are comparing the two 3-digit numbers, 701 and 563. Here 563 is less than 701. Okay. Now children, why do you think we compare the number from the 100 place first? In the last example, we have compared the number of 3-digit number. Okay, in that we have compared the place value numbers with their place 100 place value. Why we are comparing the 100 place value? Because this is the 3-digit number, that's why. And this 100 place value is the bigger place value. That's why we are starting from the 100 place value to compare the 3-digit number. Okay, children, what if we start comparing the number from the ones place? Okay, what happen if we are starting the comparing the number from the ones place? Here compare 321 and 253 starting from their ones place. Okay, 235 starting from their ones place. Children, here 1 is on the ones place, here 5 is on the ones place. Obviously 5 is greater than 1. Okay, but if we are doing like this, our answer will be wrong. That's why we should not do like this. We will do like we have seen in the last example. Now next children, here we have compared the 3-digit number. You have to draw these on the Dennis block and you have to cross check your answer. Here you have to draw. In the last session, previous session, we have learned how to draw the Dennis blocks. Okay, you have to draw here and you have to compare your answers. Okay, now the next example, in that here the giant has 741 bananas and Singi has 723 bananas. Now in this case, the digit at the 100 place are the same. Yes. How can we compare the number of the bananas now? Children, when the digit at the 100 place are the same, then the number has more tens is the greater. Means we have to compare the digit on the tens place. Okay. In the previous example, we have compared the digit on the 100 place, but here the 100 place is the same. Here also 7 is on the 100 place. Here also 7 is on the 100 place. That's why 100 place having the same digits. That's why we have to compare with the tens place digit. Here 4 is on the tens place. Here 2 is on the tens place. That's why obviously 4 is greater than 2. That's why let's compare the digit in the tens place. Here 4 is on the tens place. Here 2 is on the tens place. That's why 741 is greater than 723. Use the appropriate sign greater than or less than to compare the 741 and 723. See here, children, the 741 is greater than 723. Now same example you have to compare with the Dines block or base 10 blocks. As in the previous sessions we have learned about the base 10 blocks like this. You have to draw here and compare your answer. Who has the more bananas? Okay. Now in the next example. Now children, here in this example, giant has 743 bananas and Swingy has 741 bananas. In this case, the digit at the 100 and the tens place are the same. Can we compare the numbers of bananas now? Yes. When the digit at the 100 and the tens place are the same, then the numbers having more ones is greater. Yes, now we have to compare the number on the ones place. Here 743. Here 741. If we are comparing on the tens place, here 7 is on the tens place. Here also 7 is on the tens place. If we are comparing on the, here is 7 is on the 100 place. Here also 7 is on the 100 place. Next, if we are comparing the number on the tens place, here 4 is on the tens place. Here also 4 is on the tens place. Now, what we have to do now? How to compare now? Because we are not getting the answer by comparing the 100 place and tens place. Now, we have to compare the ones place digit. Here 3 is on the ones place. Here 1 is on the ones place. That's why let's compare the digit in ones place. 3 is greater than ones. That's why 743 is greater than 741, or we can say 741 is less than 743. Use the appropriate sign that is greater than or less than to compare the 743 and 741. See here, 743 is greater than 741. Here again we have to draw the Dines block or base 10 block to cross check our answer. Okay. Now we can say who has more bananas? Giant has more bananas. Who has the fewer bananas? The Swingy has fewer bananas. Like 741. Now children, let's see some examples to compare the numbers here. 783. They have given 783 and 678. We have to compare these two 3-digit number. Now how we can compare? By comparing the 100 place first. Okay? Because this is the 3-digit number. That's why we have to compare the 100 place. The digit on the 100 place. Here in the 783, 7 is on the 100 place. Here in the 678, the 6 is on the 100 place. Now we have to compare these two digit. 7 is greater than 6. That's why 783 is greater than 678. The greater number has indicated the place value we are comparing. It is indicated with the red number here. Okay. Now children, here 563 and here 590. Okay. Now we have to now see the second example here, 564 and 590. We have to compare here. Here both are the 3-digit number. If you are comparing the 100 place, 5 is on the 100 place in the both of this number. That's why we have to compare the number on the tens place. Here 6 is on the tens place. Here 9 is on the tens place. The 9 is greater than 6. Okay, that's why 564 is less than 500 or smaller than 590. Okay, we have to add the sign here. Okay, now next example, 123 and 121. Okay, here in now here we have to compare the 100 place. The same number is on the 100 digit is on the 100 place. Now if you see the number on the tens place, the same number comes on the tens place. Now we have to compare the ones place, because The number on the 100 place, number on the tens place is the same in both of these numbers. 23 is greater than 121. Now we have to add the sign here. Now same like that only you have to do the examples here. They have given 343. And 310. Here if you compare the number on the 100 place, both the number having the 3 on the 100 place. Now we have to see the number on the tens place. Why we are seeing the number on the tens place? Because the number on the 100 place are the same. That's why we are observing the number on the tens place. Here 4 is on the tens place, here 1 is on the tens place. 4 is greater than 1. That's why 343 is greater than 310. Now again here 898. Here 888. Okay. Now here compare with the, first of all we have to see the number on the 100 place. Both the number are the same on the 100 place. 8, 8. Now we have to see the number on the, or the digit on the tens place. Here 9 is on the tens place. Here 8 is on the tens place. That's why 9 is greater than 8. That's why 898 is greater than 888. We have to add the sign here. Greater than. Now next example. 644 and 456. Sorry, 645 and 456. We have to compare these, and same we have to compare with the 219 and 291. Okay. Now children, hope you have understood comparing the numbers of the 3-digit number by comparing by 100 place, tens place, ones place. Okay. For now, goodbye children. We will meet again on the next session. Goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe.